Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Joomla site. As we know, this is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution in the market. Today, we are going to configure Wild Apricot with Joomla OAuth client. Log in into your Joomla site. Click on System and select Extensions. Search for OAuth client and click on Search icon. Then select miniOrange OAuth client plugin. Click on Install button. You can see your installation of the package was successfully. Go to the Components and select miniOrange OAuth client, then click on Configure OAuth. Search for Wild Apricot application in search box and select Pre-configured application. You can also go through the setup guide to see step-by-step configuration. And you can also look at our video setup guide. Enter custom app name as per your choice. Log in into Wild Apricot console. Log in with your Wild Apricot credentials. Click on the Settings tab and select Authorized Application. Scroll up and click on Authorize Application button. Select Server Application and click on Continue button. Enter application name. Click on Generate Client Secret. Copy the client ID and paste it into Joomla site. Copy the client secret and paste it into Joomla site. Click on checkbox to enable authorize users via Wild Apricot SSO service. Copy the redirect callback URL from the Joomla site. Paste redirect callback URL. Click on Save button. Enter your Wild Apricot account URL here. Click on Dashboard and select Account. And copy account ID and paste it into the Joomla site. Then click on Save Settings. Scroll down and click on Test Configuration button. You have successfully tested Joomla OAuth client plugins. Now, we are going to configure basic attribute mapping. Copy email attribute. Paste email attribute. Copy first name attribute. Paste first name attribute. Click on Save Attribute Mapping button. Open a new browser private window and enter login URL. Let us see how it works. Copy the login URL. Log in with your Wild Apricot credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Joomla site using Wild Apricot credentials. You have successfully logged into Joomla site using SSO. If you have any questions and concerns, or in case you need any sort of assistance in configuring our plugin, please reach out to us at joomla@securify.com. miniOrange provide best SSO solution. Thanks for watching.